Hello guys, good afternoon. Mike here. We're here on the property that's on Ogali Circle. We started early today to dig all the footings and to prepare for the rebars and get it ready for inspection. Here we have the rebars. All the footings are done and all the rebars are done with the L rebars that go through the blocks. Here's the front of the house. That's the columns. That's the porch. That's the rest of the house. I'll go through it. These bars that you see laying, we actually stand them up so they can go through the concrete blocks for the stem wall. After we pass inspection and pour the concrete on this footing. The guys work really fast today and the work looks pretty good. Next step is to pass inspections so we can start pouring concrete and start moving forward. Very happy with the job they did and they worked pretty fast. I like that. All right guys, bye.